welcome to my channel. My name is Zahir. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'll be trying the new RevAir. I am so happy to be trying this product. I don't think y'all know how bad I have been wanting to try the RevAir. The last time I blew out my hair was in the summertime. I want to say around like July, and I made a promise to myself. I said the next time I blow out my hair, I'm going to be using a RevAir. Because I cannot. Do y'all know how long it takes me to blow out my hair? Entirely way too long. Entirely way too long. And here we are, months later, blowing out my hair since then, and I'm going to be using the RevAir. This is their new RevAir that they just came out with. Now, compared to the original one, this is a lot smaller. I personally did not have the original one, but based off of what everyone is saying, and of course what RevAir is saying, that this is a lot smaller. They also have this digital tension setting now. This is like really smooth, like a smooth matte black. Now I'm going to be following the directions that came in the manual. Now it says for the first 10 seconds of using the RevAir, set the tension to 2, and then take that out after 10 seconds, put it back in, raise the temperature. So that's the way I'm going to be doing it. Once I feel like I get to a temperature that is good enough for me, I will just continue to use that temperature. I did wash my hair last night, so my hair is ready to go. I do have on their head wrap towels. I will be using some heat protectant. The heat protectant I'll be using is this one. I had to quickly run to the store just to grab some real quick. So I never tried this brand before, but I'm just going to be using a little bit just to protect my hair from the heat. And I do have their hair clips as well. Let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I'm so happy that I finally have a RevAir. Like, this has been on my wish list for a while now. I'm talking about when they first came out with the original one. I have been wanting to try this, but $400, I don't know. Super grateful that RevAir sent me their new one. I'm super grateful for that. Super grateful. Nice and detangled, which it should be. So I definitely need a trim as well. This is like the perfect weather to be doing blowouts. You know, it's silk press season. Section this off in a small section like so. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. This is on heat, so look that up. And I'm going to put it on 2. 1, 2. So this is what my hair looks like after following the directions after 10 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and turn up the temperature to 4. Oh, no way. So you telling me I can sit here, put my hair in this little vacuum thing, and that's it? Normally right now I would be working. Please don't play with them right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this section one more time. I did leave it on for 30 seconds, but I'm actually gonna raise the temperature again for another 30 seconds. This is crazy. On to the next section.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
this right now? Y'all, look at my hair. Wow. The shrinkage is real. Here are the final results. Y'all, I don't think I ever had a blowout look like this before. Look how straight my hair is, and I got it done in a short period of time. I'm so happy with the results. Y'all, look at my hair. I would highly recommend the Rev-Air. I know that it is $400. Is it worth it? Yes. If you gotta do Klarna, if you gotta do Afterpay, do what you gotta do. But this right here is an investment that will save you some time, that will make your hair more manageable. You can literally get this in half an hour. Normally it would take me hours to blow out my hair. This is a game changer. To know that it's this easy to get these results, wow. Rev-Air, y'all definitely did y'all's big one with this. But let's go ahead and get into this hair though. Like I said, I need a trim. I'm gonna get one today. Let's get into this length. The way my hair grew so much, I'm about to insert a picture right here. I'm actually gonna put my length check shirt on as well to see where I'm at. Picture of it. Here's the picture. So I'm gonna insert this picture, and this is where I'm at now. Well, this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on that bell notification. That way you'll get notified every single time I upload. So leave a comment down below if you tried the new Rev-Air. Is there a difference between the original and the new one? Do you like the original better, or do you like the new one better? Let me know. Let's talk about it. All right, I will see you guys in my next video.